They're very vulnerable up there. So this is the wind. Now this winds have been going on for over 8 hours. We've been in the damaging winds. So the blue extends way up for 8 more hours or 8 or 10 hours. So somewhere in this area, around 2 o'clock in the morning or so, we're going to be closest point of approach. Now you realize the next morning that's all going to change. So this just gives you a ballpark figure. So things just continually change in Mother Nature. So and sometime tomorrow afternoon we expect to be out of these winds. But again, it depends on the motion. It depends on how close it gets, and it also depends on the intensity. So seas 18 to 22 feet in the open ocean just offshore, 16 to 20 foot surf. We expect 3 to 5 feet of inundation, especially on the southern shores. This thing is going to slow as it moves to the west. It's going to produce big swells that are going to start to threaten Agate and the west side as well. Now, initially, Rhodey Point will protect Petey and Aston, but as it goes farther north, then Petey and Aston will probably be vulnerable as well. This is the high tide information. The Epan buoy, the 10th highest wave has been 21 feet. We've had waves 3 times as high as 35 feet. I know that's stretching the tether on the buoy. We could lose the buoy in those kinds of seas. Hope everybody's staying out of the water. These are the high tide periods. We always plan for high tide. Precipitation, we've already had 5 inches down in the southern islands. So we're in a lull right now, but as those bands start to rebuild and move out, we expect more precipitation. Flash flood warning has been extended for 8 more hours into Sunday. Worst conditions will be down south. We've had over 5 inches there. My place in Senahania, we've had over 4 inches. And but the last 3 hours, we've only had about a quarter of an inch. So you can see this dropped off for a while. So currently, we're in a tropical storm warning, and you're in Core 1. Planning, maintain Core 1 until the threat has passed. And we'll closely monitor the system for more eastward movement, slower movement, and any further intensification. Still planning for this tropical storm category A damage. Some places, though, could see a little bit more damage than this. Short power outages. There's been places where there's been, limbs have fallen on power lines. I think the power company's done a great job of getting things back up. So, we always tell you to plan for 1 category higher. That's the severe tropical storm category. And so this starts doing structural damage to poorly constructed structures. So 1 to 2 feet. This is generally the effect of Category B tropical cyclone, but we have a Category 4 typhoon out there. So the waves are going to be a lot bigger, and the inundation is going to be a lot greater. So. We expect a strong Category 3, could be still a Category 4, 125 miles per hour with gusts to 150, about 175 miles southwest early Sunday morning. So worst conditions Saturday night to Sunday morning. Keep alert for changes such as more eastward movement or more northward direction. Slower movement, any more intensification. We're getting hourly radar updates. Be careful about going from fixed to fixed. That is every update to every update, because there's a lot of motion there, and sometimes, we average those so that we take some of that random motion out of the picture. So we're going to be updating every 3 hours. These updates go out every hour, and every 6 hours we'll update the intensity. So any questions? I think we've updated our Facebook.